How's the market doing? I do get that question a lot, and I figured a great way for me to communicate this information is through video and something that I can share with you on a regular basis. So let's get started. The stats that I am going to review with you are based on a macro level and include all of our local counties: Albany, Rensselaer, Schenectady, and Saratoga. So let's really begin with the market action index, which is trending in a seller's market, and that is due to low listing inventory and a high buyer demand. The number of available active listings is down, and we do not have enough new inventory to match the buyer demand. Prices continue to climb, and the average homes are still selling anywhere between 5 to 8% over list price. Back to market and price reduced listings are down in all of the counties. This is in part due to the high buyer demand scooping up most of the available inventory that's still out there. Total pending and closing listed units are also down. We can only sell the inventory that is made available on our multiple listing service. Average days on the market is unchanged. We are at approximately 24 days on the market or less for homes that do actually sell. On the contrary, the expired inventory is up. Buyers continue to reject homes that are overpriced. Price, location, condition are still key factors that the buyers focus on in their decision process to buy. And let's take a look at the economic level. GDP, which is the gross domestic product, is at 2.7%, which reflected increases in inventory and consumer spending that were partly offset by a decrease in the housing investments. Inflation is at 6.41%. The Federal Reserve targets a 2%, so they may continue to make changes to monetary policy if inflation is not within this range. Lastly, the mortgage rates are up 6.5% for a 30-year loan and 5.7% on a 15-year loan. Interest rates do affect a buyer's affordability. However, the lenders are getting very creative with their products, so be sure to investigate. And a little footnote, all of this information is deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed. Your local mortgage lender, realtor, economist of choice are great resources that you can check out. And of course, I am always here to help. If you are interested in a more detailed dive into your micro market, let's connect. Stay tuned for future market updates coming your way.